what brides don't know about their big day, but they should. Let's discuss few points which are very important for your big day, and they will definitely be of great help. So let's step by step debunk some very important points. You need makeup that should complement you, not your explore page. So it should be customized as per your face shape and your face requirement. Your skin prep should start weeks before. Great makeup sits on great skin. So you have to make sure that you're hydrated well, you're taking proper sleep, you're having very good diet, less salt, maybe coconut water every day. So these things really help you to get that great skin, look your best self on your big day. These tiny things matter more than your highlighter. Communicate clearly with your MUA. Share your outfits, your hair length, your picture, your likes, dislikes, so that everything is planned and you have a mood board ready before your big day. Don't get facial hair color waxing close to the D-Day. It might cause some bruising or burning. Give yourself to experienced professionals to avoid any such kind of experience. Next point, guys, speak up if you're not comfortable. If your MU has applied a certain lipstick or a blush on shade which is not complementing your face shape, or you're not giving you that confidence, please go ahead and tell her to change it. I think it's absolutely fine. All what matters is that you should be 100% confident when you're going for your big day look. 3 hours, 2.5 hours to doll you up completely. So it's good to hydrate yourself, eat some light snacks to pep you up, avoid any kind of dizziness. Coconut water is a great magical thing, so have it while you're getting ready. One very important point is jewelry, guys. I've seen brides, they just randomly pick jewelry by looking at Instagram pages. Never do that. Go and give it a try. Let the tika sit on your forehead. It should complement your forehead size, and the shape should also fit your face type. Be 100% nut. Keep 2 options, maybe a smaller one or a larger one, so that you can decide on that particular spot. Whatever you have options to decide whatever looks good on your face type after getting ready, so that your nut weight is not too much, or it is very comfortable when it is sitting on your nose. I have seen a lot of brides wearing nut and their nose is hanging little drooped because of the weight of the nut. So make sure your nut is very light weighted, your tika is very well fitted as per your forehead size. So these things are very important, guys. Do keep in mind to get that perfect output for yourself on your big day. To stay calm. You worked so hard for this day. Now it's your turn to be calm, breathe, relax. Let your friends, your family handle yours. Need to have very calm state of mind. Don't let that stress steal your glow.